Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rashmi Makhija, consultant dermatologist, hair transplant and laser surgeon, Pulse Skin and Heart Clinic, New Delhi. Frequently patients ask me what should be the care during hair fall. The care during hair fall includes cleansing of the hair with a paraben and sulfate free shampoo, and you have to shampoo only once a week. Then hair should not be combed when it is wet. Hair combing, drying and styling should be done gently. You need not rub vigorously with your towels, just you can pat dry your hair. Then if there is any associated dandruff, it should be treated. The hair dryer either should not be used or it should be used 6 inches away from your scalp at the lowest possible heat setting. You should comb only once or twice a day, using your fingers to detangle the hair and comb with a wide tooth comb like this. Then procedures like rebonding, perming, dyeing, bleaching, either they should be avoided or these procedures should be done to a minimum. Frequently patients ask me, doctor, please tell me some diet to prevent my hair loss and hair fall. So I would suggest your diet must include daily intake of a glass of milk, a bowl of curd, 1 katori dal, jaggery, groundnut, chana and sprouts like moong, chana. Then what fruits, seeds, vegetables you should take? You should take 1 amla or orange daily. Then you should take any 2 seasonal fruits, 1 walnut, 6 pieces of almonds, melon or pumpkin seeds, 20 gram of alsi, and vegetables like carrot, beetroot, tomato. And if you are a non-veg, you should take at least 2 boiled eggs per day, or you can take fish like salmon. Another frequently asked question is, doctor, how should I apply minoxidil? So minoxidil comes in 3 forms: solution, gel and foam. Solution is available as 2%, 5%, 10% and 12%. So the dose of application of minoxidil is 1 ml twice a day. It should be applied on dry hair and scalp. You can take measured amount of 1 ml in a pipette. 1 ml is equal to 16 drops. It has to be distributed on the areas where you are having thinning of the hair. Then apply it and massage it on the area with your fingers for 3 to 4 minutes. You should keep your head back so that it does not flow into your eyes. So it should be applied similarly twice a day, and you should keep it for 4 hours. And if you are using in a spray form, then 5 sprays equal to 1 ml. That 5 sprays you can apply to the affected area and massage twice a day. Then after application, you should wash your hands with warm water. The treatment should be done at least for 6 months, and then it should be maintained. Then for the application of gel, you can take measured amount of 1 gram of gel and apply to the affected area twice a day. For the foam, half capful of 5% minoxidil is enough for the application twice a day in the affected area. Another frequently asked question is, doctor, can PRP give me my lost hair back? The answer is no. PRP cannot give you your lost hair back in the bald areas, but it can definitely increase the diameter of your thinning hair and improve the overall density. Secondly, it is used to enhance the results of your hair transplant. Now, what is a hair patch? What is the cost, advantages and disadvantages? Hair patch is a piece of hair camouflage system used in patients in whom hair transplant cannot be done because of the limitations of the donor area, or if there is thinning in the donor area. The cost is between 10,000 and 55,000, plus there is an additional cost of 10,000 of fixing the patch, and it is custom made within a week, and total lifespan of the patch is 6 months. Now, what are the disadvantages? The procedure is quick and painless. You can use different shades of color and you can style it in different ways. Major advantage is initial investment is less as compared to hair transplant. The disadvantages are The maintenance of the patch has to be done every 4 to 5 weeks. Then the method is not permanent. And third disadvantage is that an allergic contact dermatitis can develop due to adhesives present at the base of the patch. Now, what are the advantages of hair restoration? Number one, it is not only a restoration of hair, it is the restoration of confidence and self-image. You tend to get photographed more and more, and your self-image, it gives you back a self-image, and then you need not hide inside a cap all throughout the year. Then ability to flaunt your favorite hairstyle and the ability to comb. Then ability to become social and to go out with friends and attend meetings. Then there are certain careers in which it is a professional requirement, like people in acting, media, sales. Then hair loss can lead to depression and destruction of self-image in a few people. So it must be addressed before it is too late.